Okay.
True.
Is it still?
Oh, it's in Jersey.
Oh, you think?
Oh my God, what a good
I
guess.
can't believe you get 2 pairs of pants.
It's free pants.
I
You know what it's, you know what free is?
Oh, very neat.
Is it really?
And so is the t-shirt.
I like it. This is probably a golf bag.
This is
that.
for the t-shirt. Just the t-shirt.
Look.
Oh, this is nice.
That don't go in here.
I'm probably saying different
I'll put that in there.
All right. Now you can tell he's in Pittsburgh.
Now it's a winning team.
How do you like yours?
That's great.
Don't open that.
Yeah, wonder what this is.
Oh, those can't. I can see those can't.
Bryce.
Yeah, Brad, look. They got a Yankee candle. I'm liking these because I don't have anything in here.
Thank you very much. I got a winning hat now.
There you go.
Hey, they got a chance to pack for the division next week.
Do they?
If they beat Detroit and Cincinnati loses. Well,
I told you you like
Cincinnati
it.
lost today.
Isn't that nice?
All name brand.
oh, guarantee it.
You know I'll wear
And
this
it's not
one.
knockoff.
Isn't that beautiful?
And it's not
Well, you
knockoff.
know I'll wear this one.
I know.
Okay, back to Dale.
I like that denim shirt.
I'm going back to Willie. Nice. Very nice. That's pretty.
Ralph.
I like that.
Do what?
That's awesome.
What'd Dale get?
This is a hairbrush.
That's for your buttons.
Oh, did you say button?
That's cool.
That is nice, actually. For your calluses.
For your dad.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Really? Did you feel the inside of the sweatshirt?
Either for your desk or like your workbench down in the
I need
basement.
one of these. Thank you
So,
very much.
you're welcome.
They're brand new too. They still have the chest already.
Yep, we got her standing up and bouncing. And
And it's an
bouncing.
alarm clock. Why?
He's got
Oh,
to get
what
a
you
burger
got?
now that he's
Now what? Oh, that's nice.
Thank you very much.
I like that.
What are they saying? I should use it?
Okay, what are we gonna do? Are we giving them all the hat? Oh, thank you, Lindsay.
for us, right?
Yes,
Both of us?
yes. Oh, let me get. I'm gonna make some people sick when they watch this
I'm
section.
gonna get a massage tonight.
Because I'm zipping back and forth.
Thank you very much.
Oh, I like that. It's a back
That's
massager.
got it for you.
That's
My
nice.
massage.
Hey, Drew, make sure you
Very nice. Okay.
Who? Me?
Cool.
Keep your magnets in your book. Goes with your
Okay,
life.
go ahead, guys.
Go ahead and
Go
open
ahead,
it.
Brad. Ollie just wants the
And I
Better
hope you don't
this ain't
have
strike
one.
two.
I know. That's what I'm fearful
Hey, I
of.
like this one, but honest to God, better than the one in the kitchen. Because I didn't like all the berries and the flowers on it.
Yeah.
Oh my God!
I don't have one, dude.
No.
And you
Excellent.
know,
I've always wanted to try one of these. I've never had one.
we got one. We've yet to cook a turkey in it, but we've had a fish fry out of it. I've fixed
Really?
chimichangas in it. You can make chili.
Where do you buy
I mean,
a turkey
anything.
fryer?
At any department store now.
Thank you very much. Seriously, I've been wanting to try one.
Can I have my girlfriend?
Awesome.
Oh no!
Hey, we got a turkey fryer.
Oh, that's
Hey, Drew, look at that
fantastic!
memo
Look at that.
Where'd you make this? Dale got us a turkey fryer.
Dale's happy. He's got some golf balls.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
This is the right size.
He
right?
just made it Christmas.
What is it?
Go buy a turkey now.
What you got?
Golf balls. Okay, thank you for the hat again.
Help me carry this
Does
stuff up
Memo
here.
look better? Whose hat did I get this out of? That is that. Okay. All right, here we go.
And so then you gotta get rid of it.
That's fine.
Thank you.
Squeeze it, Lindsay.
Isn't that cute?
What is that?
It's the stuff in the bath scissors.
She don't like you wearing that hat.
Love my pajama pants and shirt, guys, and the lotion, everything.
No, yeah, you're right. Lindsay, let me see the hat. I'll give you a door.
Everybody else but Dad.
Have I got everything?